Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Ube Tiramisu. First, gather all your ingredients and prepare your workspace for a smooth process. This delightful dessert combines the earthy sweetness of Ube with the rich creaminess of traditional tiramisu. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring your Ube Tiramisu is a beautiful and delicious treat for any occasion. To begin your Ube Tiramisu journey, you'll need several key components. High-quality Ube halia and Ube extract are crucial for that authentic flavor and vibrant purple hue. Combine these with fresh mascarpone cheese, heavy cream, and eggs for the rich, creamy layers. Don't forget ladyfingers and a strong coffee for dipping, plus powdered sugar for sweetness. The heart of your Ube Tiramisu is the luscious Ube mascarpone cream. Start by whisking egg yolks with a small amount of sugar until pale and thick, then carefully blend in the mascarpone cheese. Next, fold in the Ube halia and Ube extract to infuse that beautiful purple color and unique taste. Finally, gently incorporate stiffly whipped heavy cream for an airy, delightful consistency. Now for the exciting assembly. Quickly dip each ladyfinger into your strong, cooled coffee, ensuring they absorb liquid without becoming overly saturated. Arrange a single layer of these soaked ladyfingers in your serving dish. Next, spread a generous, even layer of your prepared Ube mascarpone cream over them. Repeat these layers, finishing with a final layer of cream, then chill for at least 4 hours to set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.